10 a.m. and 12 noon local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distance from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver and good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warning for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Atoka, Bryant, Craig, Cherry, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, the Delaware, Hughes, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Fusty, Oakwood, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. And in Arkansas, Bent, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, McDonald and Berry County. And in Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery County. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards